So you want to get in shape, but you have no time. You've got a 9-to-5 job, you've got after work obligations, you basically have all kinds of things preventing you from getting back into shape. Well, in this video, I've got 3 tips that'll help you overcome that and get you back into shape. Tip number 1, why? So we've all done it. We've all made the excuses. We're too tired to work out after work, or there isn't enough time to meal plan. Whatever the case is, this is a sign of a bigger problem. The problem is you don't have a good enough reason to get in shape or to work out. And I talk about this in a previous video, which I've linked in the description box below. But basically, you think you have a good enough reason to work out, but you really don't. You really need to spend time with yourself and figure out the big reason why you want to get in shape, or the big reason why you want to go work out. Once you have your big why, you'll stop at nothing to go to the gym or to eat right. Tip number 2, okay, once you've got your big why, working out and eating right is easier, but you still have to contend with how, especially if you have a 9-to-5 job. So for working out, you really only have 3 options. You can either work out before work, you can work out during work, like on a lunch break, or you can work out after work. And if you're just starting out, I highly recommend working out during your lunch break. That's what I did when I first started working out. I would take off for my lunch break, and it was a great way to break up my day. It was a great way to take a break from work and also get in a workout. Like, to me, I thought I was cheating the system. And don't worry, you'll still have plenty of time to eat your lunch when you're done working out. If you can't work out during your lunch, say you only get 30 minutes, or for some reason you can't leave the office, then I suggest working out after work. Just bring your gym bag to work and make it part of your day. Go straight to the gym from work. Don't go home and change your shoes or change into your gym clothes. Do all of that at the gym. Go straight to the gym from work. This is important. If you have kids you need to pick up, just find a gym that has a daycare, or have your kids just hang out in the gym lobby while you work out. I see this all the time and nobody really cares. Okay, tip number 3 is patience. We live in a world of instant gratification. You text somebody and they respond pretty much right away. You post something on social media and you'll get a response almost right away. We watch TV shows and movies and everything is resolved within 30 minutes to 2.5 hours. Well, we're applying these same expectations to getting in shape. We want to be rewarded right now for the work we just did. We work out for 1 week and we eat healthy for 1 week, and we expect it to undo the 5 to 6 years of unhealthy living. You're just going to have to resign to the fact that it's going to take some time. So for a while, just start doing the right thing and just forget about it. Don't look in the mirror after every workout, and don't go weigh yourself after every meal. Just go to the gym, eat at a caloric deficit, and don't get discouraged. After a while, your clothes will start fitting differently, and that's when you know it's working. And that's just fuel to the fire. So that's it, guys. 3 tips to help you get back into shape. If you like what you saw, please leave a comment below and hit subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.